Firefly Aerospace resumes Alpha rocket launches. After explosive setbacks, Firefly Aerospace is preparing to relaunch its Alpha rocket on February 27th, marking the company's first attempt since a series of high-profile failures grounded the vehicle for nearly a year. The mission, dubbed Stairway to 7, is crucial for restoring confidence in the Alpha program after two separate incidents last year resulted in lost payloads and significant delays. Previous failures and investigation. In April 2023, the Alpha rocket's first stage broke apart shortly after separation during the Message in a Booster mission, which aimed to deliver a Lockheed Martin prototype satellite. This failure was followed by another setback in September, when a booster exploded during pre-launch testing. Although the testing explosion caused no physical damage to nearby facilities, it forced Firefly to halt operations while investigating the cause. The company determined that the September incident was caused by a process error during Stage 1 integration that resulted in a minute hydrocarbon contamination, effectively ruling out a fundamental design flaw in the rocket itself. This finding allowed Firefly to proceed with corrective measures and prepare for the next launch. Stairway to 7 mission details. The upcoming Stairway to 7 mission will not carry a Lockheed Martin payload as originally planned. Instead, it will serve as a verification flight, using a demo payload to revalidate all critical Alpha systems. The first stage of the rocket successfully completed a 20-second static fire test on February 6th at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California, signaling readiness for the February 27th launch opportunity. Alpha Block II upgrade. This launch represents the final flight for Alpha's Block I configuration. Firefly is already working on substantial upgrades for Block II, which is designed to improve reliability, manufacturability, and overall vehicle capabilities. The Block II version will be over 2 meters taller and incorporate carbon composite materials, enhanced thermal protection, and upgraded avionics and power systems. Firefly's ability to recover from these failures and resume launches is a key test for the company's viability in the competitive commercial space sector. This mission will demonstrate whether the fixes are effective and whether the Alpha rocket can deliver payloads successfully. The company's future depends on the success of this launch and the subsequent implementation of Block II upgrades.